What the fuck, honey? What happened to my hand? Why is it red?
Look, I don't know what happened there.
Me neither. What happened? Why we have blood on us?
Did we fight? Imagine we punching each other.
Imagine. Nah. You knocked out before me.
Let's not say on.
Let's not say Enrique's
chest.
Let's not say it by the pants. No comment that one.
Wait, what do you mean?
Yeah.
No pen. Oh yeah, I was wearing calzone on.
I know.
Look.
That's why I thought you got fingered.
This girl, why you say it live like that? I just didn't wear one because
I'm like half asleep.
to be comfy. Not tomorrow. I need to do double the workout after eating this fat ass.
Yeah, let's go. Have you ever been hiking before?
No.
We should do that. Hello? Ow. Hey, no. Ali, no.
And the weekends are my cheat days. Hey, yo!
Ali, no. Sit down. Sit. Good girl.
Stand! Imagine.
Imagine she gets on her fucking legs right now.
Wait, try to stand.
She doesn't know. She can't stand. She's not human.
She went on the bed, bro. She was licking my belly.
Oh, she like you. I look crazy right now.
I miss your other dogs, bro.
I know. You see, everybody leaves me. The dogs, the men, my family. I'm done.
We should go see your mom, bro.
I know. Actually, I'm mad at her right now. She was being rude last night.
Hey, yo! You smelling my butt, bro.
Not the butt.
Hayay? I chai, dumb.
What, at least one.
What's the other dog?
Your.
Glory.
Now you're saying Glory as a dog.
Sorry.
Now you're calling me the dog now.
I thought you said Glory.
Oh my god. She's a mess right now.
This is a messy food. This order.
Oh, Vanessa, can I smash my face the cake a little bit or no?
That's not my cream.
What the fuck? Look what it says right here.
What the fuck?
How did that happen, bruh? This is Wilito cake. Deadass. WILLTO. That's hella creepy. Or no? Because we got that at the store and nobody asked for that. What the fuck? I need to Jose. Hello? Good morning. It's 2 o'clock already. I miss you. I need to tell you something really quick. There's something creepy happening right now. Are you naked? No, you're naked.
Yo.
No!
I'm going to the pool after this. I would put my patas in.
We should go inflate all the floaties. They're all outside uninflated. We need to tell Enrique to come now because we need to inflate them.
Call him.
Where is the phone, actually?